Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Marvel intro in Filmora. First, launch Filmora and begin a new project. Next, import your chosen background footage or image into the media library. It's crucial to verify that your project settings, including resolution and frame rate, align perfectly with your final video to ensure a seamless and professional look for your intro. Now, let's create that iconic text. Drag a text layer onto your timeline and type your intro title. Select a strong, bold font that resembles the classic Marvel style. Then, enhance it with a glow effect to give it that signature cinematic shine. Finally, animate the text to appear with a smooth fade or a slight zoom, making it truly pop on screen. To elevate your intro, let's add some visual flair. Overlay a subtle dust or particle effect to give your scene more depth and texture. Introduce a dynamic lens flare to mimic bright, dramatic light sources, enhancing the epic feel. Experiment with different blending modes for these overlays to achieve a natural and integrated appearance. Don't forget a powerful sound effect for maximum impact. For the final touches, meticulously fine-tune the timing of all your elements, ensuring everything is perfectly synchronized. Apply color grading to match the overall tone and mood of your main video, creating a cohesive visual experience. Watch your intro several times to catch any minor imperfections or areas for improvement. Once satisfied, export your stunning new intro in a high-quality format, ready for your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.